What if we have the dogs and stuff? How are we gonna get towed and shit? I always wanted to come here.
At rest area right now, we're gonna have some food. He's checking the oil because we went through a lot of mountains. We went through the Blue Ridge Mountain. We didn't even know that was happening until we were like, wow, this is really mountainy. Anyways.
So this is what happened. We're driving. All of a sudden the directionals stopped working. And then it says I'm out of gas. And it said my oil pressure was a little low. So we pulled off an exit. I throw $20 in the gas tank. I go to start it, nothing happens. So luckily Georgie's mom gave us this tiny little jump pack, and I hook it up for like 1 second, and the thing starts right up. So we drive it next 10 miles to this truck stop. So I get here, shut it off, go to turn it on, nothing. Out of my way, I'm gonna break down.
We got it. All right, now to AutoZone.
Alright, he jumped us, so let's get moving. I feel like it wants to break down. It'll break it down. Buddy, this is not a good place. No.
Can we call that AAA guy back?
What if we have the dogs and stuff? How are we gonna get towed and shit?
On the plus side of breaking down here, it is 60 degrees. And it's really pretty. So I'm waiting for AAA for the second time today, and see if we can get towed to AutoZone where they can test our battery or alternator. We're guessing yesterday we thought it was the battery, now we're guessing it's the alternator. Okay, so a lot has happened, so I'm gonna try to catch you up. So last you saw, we were broken down again, like 2 miles away from Love's on some old windy road. So we were gonna get towed from where we were to AutoZone, where then Jesse would install a new alternator. And then Jesse had the very good idea of looking up the crime rate in the town that we were going to get towed to. Greenville, Tennessee. I'm sorry if you live there. I'm sure it's a wonderful, beautiful place. What was the crime rate, honey?
Greenville has one of the highest crime rates in America. One's chance of becoming a victim of either violent or property crime here is 1 in every 29 people. We got the jumper to work one more time, ripped a U-E and fucking floored it the opposite way, and then we broke down one gas station over from the Love's truck stop, and then he came and jumped us again. And then we just broke down across the street from Love's in a dirt parking lot, so now we're waiting for our jump pack to charge again. Awesome, man. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. I just called the AutoZone in Scarytown, Greenville. He said, yep, they'll have the alternator and the belt in tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock for me. So hopefully there's some Ubers over here, so I can go pick up the parts and hopefully put that in, and hopefully that does it. And if it's not the alternator, I don't know how it couldn't be. What the fuck else would it be? I have no idea.
Today has completely turned around. Everything is different. The world, there is no wrong here, and everyone is made of love. And we got...
What?
Babe, I'm making a joke.
Oh, okay.
We have curly fries. There he goes in that truck.
Brother.
Oh my god.
This one's way smaller, so it's not gonna fit at all. What's for dinner tonight?
My fat ass burritos. Good morning. Today is our third morning here at this Love's truck stop. And today is the day we are leaving. We are getting out of here. We've tried to keep a very positive mindset while being here, but like, we've had enough. On the plus side, look how cute these cups are.
Do appointments for taxis. I was wondering if I could get a ride at like 2:45-ish. It's the Love's travel stop. Let's put this belt on, put the battery in, and get the heck out of here, brother. Let me tell you, getting this belt in between the fan and the radiator so I don't have to take anything else apart has probably been one of the hardest parts other than finding the parts. You can try.
Oh my god.
We'll see.
If this works, I might cry. That's where we were parked, right there. Okay, so we have been driving for 36 minutes. Everything has gone smoothly.
It was looking pretty good on my end.
We're stopping at another Love's just to check things out, make sure everything is going well.
So we're gonna let it run for a little bit and just make sure the battery's not gonna shut off or something.
So after Love's, we went to Planet Fitness so I could take a shower, and I cannot wait to come back in here and show you how clean I am and that everything with the Chinook went perfectly. But when I was done with my shower, Jesse texted me saying, what'd she say?
The van isn't starting.
The van isn't starting. Thankfully, in the parking lot with the Planet Fitness, there's an AutoZone. They took our battery and they're charging it right now, and they're going to test it to see if it's good or bad, and we are praying that it's just a bad junk battery.
Because of the alternator.
Yeah. How's the battery?
It's perfect. So it's not the battery,
Okay.
and now it's not the alternator. This is a battery disconnect switch. So if you can't figure out what's killing your friggin' battery all of the time, you just install this. So you install this on this post here, I guess. You know, screw it down, and then you take the terminal that usually goes on here and you put it on here. So every time you leave the vehicle, you go like this, and now it disconnects this from this. And then, so when you close it, when you go to start it back up, then it connects these again. That's not a permanent fix, but it's so we stop having dead batteries.
Oh, okay, that's good.
So hopefully this works. Let's try it. Then hopefully we'll just go to Cracker Barrel and have some drinks. That means no power is going to it, and this is full power.
Okay, so last night we left you off at putting in, what's the name of that mechanism thing? I don't remember. You must remember. It just happened a second ago. We put that in, and then we parked at Cracker Barrel. This morning when we woke up and she started right up, our problems are now solved. I'm like, all right, let's get some dunks, and we're gonna head to Nashville. Getting to Dunks, the blinker stopped working and the seatbelt light came back on, which are two things that happened the first time it started breaking down. He's seeing what else could be the issue. So that's where we are now. While we're broken down, Jesse obviously noticed a liquor store. So AAA is here, and obviously we have like the RV AAA. First the guy got here and was like, oh, it's an RV? Like, I don't know if I can tow that. So he's on the phone with his boss asking if he can tow it. But we have the RV AAA.
Alright, so the truck they sent is not big enough to tow us because it's a dually. The dude was mad cool. So they're sending out another truck and they're gonna see if it's the battery. If so, they'll just swap that out. If not, he's gonna send a bigger truck to tow us to Brandon, who we really would like to see. We got everyone in this town helping us out. Knoxville is pretty sick. So AAA dude came. The battery's good. It's just the battery's not being charged. Everyone knows remanufactured alternators are a bad way to go, but it's all we could get. So it's either a lemon alternator or it is the external regulator for the alternator. Do you want to try to do it yourself, or do you want me to call the tow truck? I'm like, dude, we've been breaking down for 5 days straight, and I've been taking Ubers to parts stores and doing all this. I'm spending so much money and time and nothing's working. Like, I just want to get it over there. I just want someone else to do it. I'm done. This truck doesn't work to pick it up either. AAA keeps giving them the wrong info. So much for paying extra for RV towing. Hey Brendan, Jesse with the RV once again. What's up, man? They keep sending like the wrong size tow trucks and shit, so we're just gonna schedule it for first thing in the morning. Is that still okay? Will you still have availability in the morning?
Yeah, it's perfectly fine.
What we're gonna do, Jesse's going to ask where we're parked right now, if it would be fine if we stayed the night here and then get a tow for like before 7 a.m. So the second the mechanic opens, we're in there. That's the plan. We're gonna go for a walk, clear our heads, I guess bunker down for the night.
I can't even find him. Where is he?
Good morning. So this morning we had a scheduled appointment for a tow truck for 8:30. Around 8:50 they called us to let us know that they were on their way. Once again, send out a truck that can't tow us.
Yes, the fourth truck that my RV AAA insurance has sent out that can't tow RVs.
We've tried to make it so clear that we're 21 feet long. My poor baby.
Hey, I was just wondering if you guys found anyone to tow our RV?
The driver's currently finishing up another call right before yours, and then he's going to be heading to you. So he's going to give him about 15-20 minutes.
– 23 hours later, and we're finally getting towed. So the guy said that we could put the dogs in the Chinook, and then Jesse and I get in the truck, but we didn't really feel comfortable leaving the dogs back there, so we're walking. Hello. Everything that you just saw is now over. That traumatizing 6 days stuck in Tennessee parking lots. We're out of that now. We have gone through the tunnel and found the light. Found out it was wrong.
We thought it was a mystery problem, but it wasn't. So the alternator I installed after all that was actually just a junk alternator. It was a lemon. I didn't know that's what it was. I just assumed the alternator I bought was good from the store. Even though it was super easy for me to do myself, it would have taken days for us to order a new one from parts store. And who knows if that one would be junk. We read something about a dude in an AutoZone parking lot. He did 3 in a row in the parking lot. They were all junk. So like between taking taxis all over the place to get the part and all that.
Our vehicle now runs smoothly.
So we're hoping that we got it all out of the way.
What?
I'm hoping that we got it all out of the way.
Right, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Yep. Alright. Goodbye.
Bye.